Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Jagmeet Kaur, and in this video we are going to discuss about access rights in Optimizely CMS. So let's get started. So in order to reach to the access rights, you have to go to the settings. Then under the settings, you will find the access rights here. Let's check this set access rights. So here you can set the access right to the items or to the at the root level. So there are different roles available. You can create your own roles if you want by going here, like create your own role or there are other roles available that you can add here. Okay. So here, if you can see, if I selected the root, I can see what all access rights are assigned to different roles. For example, administrator mostly have all the accesses. Editors have mostly all the accesses except the administrator access. So in this way, you can like check or uncheck based on the requirement to which role you want to provide which access. Okay. So if I go to the recycle bin, so you will be able to find the different access rights. Okay. If you scroll a little bit down under this table, you will be able to find this apply settings for all sub items. So this will apply these settings to all the sub items too. Okay. And then once I just click here, so it find that there is some change in the access rights. So it will, this button will be enabled, save access rights. You can just click and just save it. Okay. Next, we have API clients. If you click on this, you can create your own client and secret by going here. You can just name it something like demo, can name it something, and then you click on the create option. So the secret will be created. Just save this secret and use in the year environment variables for the access. Okay. You can delete the client and secret by going into this delete option available. That's it for the access rights in Optimizely CMS. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.